We've got market open coming up in a few seconds from now, so we'll just address that. What do we have? 25,280 on the Nifty. We're about a 0.25% higher, as indicated by the pre-open. The Nifty banked 10 days on a trot. That index has been higher. It's a little quieter this morning. The small cap index, no problems, 0.5% higher to begin this Wednesday morning. And the small cap index will come up on your screen 0.5%. Mid cap index will come up as well. So I think around 0.5% there. A third of a percent higher in the mid cap index is what you have. Nifty heat map gives you a quick sense of how things are opening up on the index. And what do we have? Tata Consumer on one end, and they've got SBI Life on the other end, which are starting. But it's overwhelmingly up and about. Remember, the Nifty yesterday took out the prior high, the previous high. It's taken out all, daily and hourly averages, etc. So maybe a bit more extension here. 25,500 or so, the first stop. 25,300 for now, with about a 60-odd point higher start as we begin today's session. Surbhi.
Okay, Tata Consumer, top position. Yesterday, the company announced that it will be offering the price benefits on its tea portfolio to customers. Not sure that would be the lone reason why the stock is up 3%, but it's a big mover today. The other one is Coal India. Coal India has emerged as the top bidder for a rare earth block. Market's getting a little excited about that. 1.5% up on Coal India. BEL is continuing its good form from earlier this week, 1.5% higher. Ultratech Cement, along with a bunch of other cement stocks actually, because of positive brokerage commentary. Some of the others like Shree Cement, etc., are also up and about. Then what do we have? We have Tata Motors, Trent, Grasim. There's Infosys. So it's pretty mixed. There's also Reliance, there's Maruti. So really lots of legs to the market up move, 50 points higher, and overall looking good. On the flip side, let's see, Adani Ports is cooling off. Pharma is not in favor today for sure. Cipla, Dr. Reddy's and Sun, all these stocks are down. But that's about it. Some pharma cool off. Otherwise, most of the Nifty constituents are nicely chugging along this morning. Nigel.
Well, that's right. Just keep an eye out on a few stocks, that are moving higher in decent volume. Skytex Garments, the stock is up closer around 4 to 4.5% or thereabouts. Year to date, it's still down closer around 4%. But good pop-up is what we're seeing. Reddington was one of the stocks that moved very, very well yesterday. Today, as well as building onto the gains, it's up closer around 3%, one of the top volume movers. Aditya Birla Fashion, they have launched value retail brand owned. They plan to open close to around 100 stores. The street likes it. One of the top movers today. Belrise, Investec had come out with an initiating coverage note. And that's why, in fact, you have that stock as well that's reacting to that piece of news. Keep an eye out on a couple of these names like Gokul Das as well as Wellspun Living. When you see some bonhomie between our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, as well as the US President, Mr. Trump, then these stocks, after getting hammered, when the tariffs went to 25% and then from 25 to around 50%. So there is hope building up out there. That's why Wellspun Living as well as Gokul Das, both of them up and about in today's trading session. On the flip side, Gujarat Fluoro, the stock is down is because that large trade was awaited. That's got cleared out of the way, down close to around 2.5%. You have MobiWick, that saw a big rally. That's cooled off a little bit. But otherwise, a decent opening to kickstart trade. 25,300. The bulls will be thanking their stars.
Absolutely. And there is suddenly some sort of life and vigor which we are seeing in markets, at least at index level. Otherwise, it's been about single stocks, and there have been so many 50, 60, 70% kind of movers. But the index, of course, has not gone anywhere for about 14 months now. This is the 14th month in that sense.